We are hopeful that the court will see things our way and acknowledge that the Trump administration grossly exceeded its authority in waiving all laws in moving forward with border construction projects in California.
What do we do?
Rise up, fight back!
Our borderland wildlife is under attack. What do we do?
Border walls are bad for people and they're bad for wildlife. The borderlands contain approximately 93 different rare and endangered species. That's why it's so important that all of our laws, including environmental laws, are complied with border wall projects.
What do we do?
Rise up, fight back!
When borderlands communities are under attack, what do we do?
Say it loud, say it clear, the border wall has no place here.
It puts so many people and wildlife at risk, and it affects us for generations, for centuries to come, and so it's a terrible idea.